Kansas City is getting ready to take the global stage. With the World Cup coming this summer, thousands of visitors will be coming in from around the world. At the center of it all is Arrowhead Stadium, home of the Kansas City Chiefs, and one of the host venues for this year's World Cup. This iconic stadium is known for its energy, its atmosphere, and one of the loudest fan bases of all sports. But beyond the stadium, Kansas City is filled with areas where visitors can experience the best the city has to offer. One of those standout locations is Prairie Fire, located in South Overland Park, just a short drive away from the stadium. It's packed with food, entertainment, and many unique experiences. Now let's take a closer look at everything Prairie Fire has to offer. First stop, Chicken and Pickle. This place is all about energy and activity. You've got a massive outdoor space, yard games, and multiple pickleball courts, both inside and out. It's a great spot to hang out with friends, stay active, and grab some food and drinks all in one place. This is more than just a restaurant, it's an experience. Whether you're playing, watching, or just hanging out, there's always something going on. As you can see, this large outdoor space is built for activity, with shuffleboard, pickleball, and plenty of seating to relax and enjoy the venue. It's just a quick walk into the main Prairie Fire area, and on the way you'll pass Dutch Brothers Coffee and Andy's Custard if you're looking to grab a quick snack. As you make your way through Prairie Fire, take a moment to enjoy the walk and the surroundings. One of the standout features here is the museum, known for its striking glasswork and unique design. It really adds to the atmosphere of the entire area. This part of Prairie Fire is designed to be walkable and easy to explore, with everything just a few steps away. As you continue on, you'll start to see more of the main district open up, with a mix of dining, entertainment, and places to just relax and take it all in. There was outdoor parking on the west side of Chicken and Pickle, and as you head into the main Prairie Fire area here, you'll also find a parking garage. This gives you convenient options on both sides of the area. Up ahead is our first stop, Rock and Brews. Known for its rock and roll theme and high energy atmosphere, it's a great place to grab a meal, enjoy a drink, and kick off your time here at Prairie Fire. This view is from the west end of the main Prairie Fire Street looking east, where you can see how everything is laid out and how walkable the entire area is. As you move through here, you'll pass a variety of shops and restaurants that line both sides of the street, making it easy to explore at your own pace. Just past Rock and Brews, you'll come across spots like Fat Brain Toys, adding a fun stop along the way, especially for families. This whole stretch really brings together the energy of Prairie Fire with something to see, do, or experience around every corner as you make your way down to our next stop. Grimaldi's Pizzeria. Known for its coal-fired brick oven pizzas and classic New York style feel, you've got indoor and outdoor seating here, so it's easy to find a spot to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Across from Grimaldi's, you'll find Veritas Whiskey and Wine and Rajmahal Indian Restaurant. We'll circle back to those shortly. For now, we're walking down to the Brass Onion. It offers a more refined dining experience compared to the casual high-end feel of Rock and Brews, with both indoor and outdoor seating available. The menu changes depending on the time of the day, so what's offered can vary. Be sure to check out the website link in the description below for their latest options. As you can see here, there's plenty of outdoor seating at ground level, along with an upper level deck where you can enjoy the atmosphere and take in the views of the Prairie Fire District. This is the kind of spot I really enjoy. Whether it's meeting up with my friends, grabbing a drink during happy hour, or just relaxing after work, having a place with a great patio really makes the difference. And with all the outdoor seating available here, it's easy to find a spot to relax. Just around the corner is our next stop, 810 Entertainment, a large event space with bowling, pool tables, bocce courts, and a full dining experience all in one place. Inside, you'll find multiple bowling lanes, bocce courts, pool tables, and plenty of room for groups to spread out and enjoy the space. It's designed to be a place where you can stay for a while, whether you're playing, watching, or just hanging out. Along with those activities, there's also a full bistro-style menu, so you can grab a meal and drinks without having to leave. Be sure to check out the website link in the description for their full menu and options. It's a great spot if you're looking for something interactive, especially with family, friends, or a larger group, and definitely a space you'll want to plan to spend some time. Right across the street and behind us is Rajmahal Indian Restaurant, known for bringing together flavors from across different regions of India for a truly unique dining experience. As you can see, it offers indoor and outdoor seating for your enjoyment. Right next door is Veritas Whiskey and Wine, offering a more upscale dining experience with both indoor and outdoor seating right along the main street of Prairie Fire. Known for its chef driven menu, craft cocktails, and curated wine and whiskey selection, it's a great place to meet up with friends, unwind after work, or enjoy a night out. As we head back toward where we started, our final stop here is the museum at Prairie Fire. Known for its unique architecture and educational focus, the museum offers a variety of interactive exhibits designed for all ages. Inside, you'll find hands on experiences, including a build your own dinosaur exhibit that's especially popular with the kids. As you walk through the main lobby, you'll notice a mix of large displays and interactive exhibits that highlight the history of Kansas and the surrounding region. It's designed to be open, easy to explore, and engaging for visitors of all ages. Continuing through the space, you'll find even more hands on exhibits and areas to explore. What's really interesting is that this part of Kansas was once covered by an ancient ocean, which is why you'll see displays featuring prehistoric sea creatures right here in the lobby. It's a unique detail that adds another layer of experience and gives you something you might not expect to find in this part of the country. They also feature rotating exhibits and currently host the College Baseball Hall of Fame as a traveling experience, with the potential for it to become a permanent addition. Another great feature of the Build Your Own Dinosaur exhibit is that once you've created the dinosaur, you can come right here in the main lobby and interact with it on this screen, bringing it to life in a really unique way. It's a great way to wrap up your visit, whether you're exploring with the family or just looking to experience something a little different while you're here at Prairie Fire. That wraps up our tour of Prairie Fire. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced any of these spots yourself, if I missed anything, or what part was your favorite. And as we zoom back out, you can now see how Prairie Fire fits into the bigger picture of Kansas City. Just one of the many great areas to explore while you're in town.